Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card to the EZVIZ Smart Home Wireless Security Camera Model X60 Pro 1080p. Okay, as we can see on the last video, I'm already set up the camera to the smartphone, but we now not yet can play back the video. So to get playback the video, you need to input the SD card to your camera. Okay, and now we got the new 64 GB to the install to the camera, and to input the SD card slot you need to use your hand slightly, and you will see the SD card slot here. And the video can capture it. Okay, you will see the SD card slot here. Because it's all black, you a bit difficult to see. Okay, and on its box you can see you can input the micro SD card for the up to 512 GB. Okay, now I just input it 64 GB, and then just this location. Okay. What happened? Initialize. What happened? While we input the SD card, that's ringing. I'm not sure why is that. Okay, now I don't know why it's ringing like a phone call like this, but now it's already stopped. And we press the camera first, and to enable the SD card you need to press the SD card button here, and now you need to format the SD card to make the camera and the SD card communication with each other. So you need to format it before recording, and I used to experience most camera after format the SD card, so the SD card can only use with the camera. Okay, now just press format. Select the storage, initialize it. Okay. Fine. Okay, and now it succeeds, and now it become green. Go back again and we press the SD card. Okay, now you got to playback. We got the cloud storage, and it will expire after 7 days because you just set up it at the first time, and then after 7 days the cloud storage will be gone, and now you only have the SD card after that 7-day period. Okay, now you the video record to the SD card and the video record to the cloud, and now we can use the SD card to that camera. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can input the SD card to your EZVIZ wireless security camera. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.